So once you have those installed in your website, my recommendation is you go double check that they work. Now, I'm not a coder, but you can still check it very easily using something called the Facebook Pixel Helper. This is 100% free. It's an extension that you can add into Chrome, and here it is in the Chrome store. So I have it installed, and let's use adskills.com as an example. So we go over adskills.com. And you can see up here that the pixel helper is now dark blue, has a couple numbers on here. Let's pull it down and see what it says. Okay, so now it's telling us that there are 3 pixels installed on here for, I'm sure they have good reason why they have that. And it's got some things programmed in, but what I'm looking for is that these little green symbols here. They're all green. If it's yellow or red, it's going to have a warning and it'll explain what the warning is. It's important that you resolve those warnings. If you don't resolve the warnings, then it's either going to be no information being sent to Facebook or garbled information or wrong information. So if Facebook doesn't have the right information, it can't help you optimize your ads. It can't help you find the people that you need to find. That's why this is really important. And I would recommend that even when you're running your campaigns, that you double check landing pages once in a while, maybe every month or something like that. Just quickly go over here, make sure the pixels are firing properly. Can't tell you how many times I've seen something weird go on with ads. The first thing I check is technology. So I check if the pixel's firing, and a lot of times somebody updated something that messed it up in some way. So it's good to check this first, okay? And that's how you install the pixel.